Hello to all the candidates who are going to appear for FCAT 2 2025. I know you must have prepared very well for the examination and now the time is all here. So there are two things that you need to keep in mind. First, how to attempt the paper. ये question बहुत सारे students के मन में आ रहा होगा, कौन से section से मैं exam को start करूँ. मेरा maths बहुत strong है या मेरा reasoning वाला part बहुत strong है. But on the things or what on my experience, I would suggest that you should start with the GK section first. So GK followed by the English section, followed by reasoning and then your math section. You should have at least 2 cycles for attempting the exam. For example, पहले cycle में in one go you try to solve all the questions that you know. Okay, जहाँ पर आपको doubt आ रहा है, just leave those questions. Keep them marked, remind yourself that yes, you have to solve that question, okay, but move ahead. Do not get stuck or stick to one particular section or question. Ego पे you don't have to take anything, any question. हो सकता है एक section tough लगे, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो section tough था तो next section और भी tough होगा. So you have to remain very calm while solving the questions. Okay, don't lose your heart while solving one section. Move to the next one. Move to move to the next question. Second major thing that you need to understand or keep in mind is avoid silly mistakes. Okay, read the questions very carefully. Specifically the last line, what are they trying to ask? GK questions will be to the point. If you know, that's fine. If you don't know, just leave ahead, move. Okay. Then reasoning, be careful while reading the questions. Then coming to some common mistakes that needs to be avoided. So for example, try to be confident. Of course, you have to be very confident while entering the examination hall. But before that, wear comfortable clothes. Wear any lower t-shirt, loose clothes which are comfortable. Avoid wearing shoes. Try to wear slippers. You know there are security checks there. Avoid wearing metal or metal ornaments. ठीक है. Carry your water bottle, transparent water bottle. Carry your pen, your 2 passport size photographs, your ID proofs apart from your Aadhaar card, and of course your pens and everything. Although you get your pen and rough sheet there, but you can carry your pen. Examination hall में your focus should be entirely on the computer screen. Okay, you should not get deviated from what others are doing, what are they trying to solve or what they are doing. If they are facing any issue in their computers, that's not your issue. आपका ध्यान सिर्फ आपके computer screen पे होना चाहिए. Whatever mocks you have attempted, on that average set a priority. Okay, you must be having a score on an average कि आपका इतना score आ रहा है. These are your sections that you have worked very hard. So on an average 60 to 70 questions are minimum that you need to solve. Okay, try to follow the priority which I told you. English, GK, English, reasoning and maths, and be very firm and very confident while solving the questions. Anxiousness or restlessness होती है exam के बीच में, but still just drink water, move ahead with the next question. That's all from my side. Tathastu Institute of Defence Services wishes all the candidates who are giving FCAT 2 2025 all the very best. We wish you all once again all the best. Thank you.